Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about episode 4 of Genesis. So you guys, this episode starts off with Felicia Exeni. She walks in on her husband. He's sitting by the poolside. She kisses him. Kodiyambona Gabriel ukuthi he is not happy. Gabriel goes on to say ukuthi ngiyadelelwa yazi mina angeke ngiyivume leyo nto. I'm not going to allow your son to just delela me like that. And then Felicia goes on to say, he was just lashing out. Ubongo was just lashing out because of the situation. Gabriel is like, so funneling delere just because now Ubong is lashing out. Felicia goes on to say, nope. Angisho kanjalo. His pride was wounded after ibhodi ingamfuni. So yeah, we get to find out you guys ukuthi the board Ubongo udliwe yivoti. The board does not want him and does not approve of him being CEO. So Felicia goes on to say ukuthi he just couldn't handle the situation. And then uNokuzana Gabriel starts saying, we defender lumfana, why defender and in Felicia's like, hey bo, I just want ukutula la endlini, not that I'm trying to defend him. And then Gabriel's like, ufuna ukutula, Nachi Akosha, who's the head of this household. I'm just like toxic manhood or masculinity, Gabriel, guys. So he's like, Natia Kosha, who's the head of this household. Felicia's like, love, so be the bigger person. Gabriel's like, oh, mina ngibe bigger person. Yena abe ingane. Bese you want to take Genesis record, ubege the company in a child's hands. Like, make that make sense. Is that what you really want? Then he just gets up, he leaves her like that. Felicia saying, utando, and her submitting underneath her man, because I'm just like, how are you not seeing anything? Anyway, guys, there's also this guy who was introduced into the show. His name is Ishmael. Ishmael is a guy who used to stay at an orphanage. Him and his friend Ufistos, and they ran away from that orphanage, and now they're staying on the streets. But Ishmael is the one who's gifted with singing, you guys. He sings on the streets, and then people they give their offering for their good singing. You know what yeah, I guess it's a common thing that people do these days. And then Ufistos is kind of like the manager in a sense, or sometimes he sells my fruit and veggie so that they can kind of have money because they're staying on the streets. So we see a scene where Ishmael is praying in the morning, thanking God for not forsaking him, asking God to basically bless the day because the past couple of days hasn't been a good one. He's been singing. People are not donating money. Ngalana, the rats ate Ufistos' stock, the veggies. So things are tough for them. They want to move out of the streets. Their dream is to stay in a shack. But there was an episode or a scene where we see Ishmael singing, and Gabriel drives past and he hears Ishmael. So there's a possibility which Ishmael is going to be discovered by Gabriel. Okay, fine. Next scene, we see Felicia. Felicia walks out of the house and Ubongo, he's busy swimming. So she walks over to Ubongo and she's like, so when Nanje, you just stir up trouble. And then uzota shalan. Ubongo's like, ma, ngiyacela ukuthi singakhulumi ngoGabriel. Then Felicia's like, you mean ubaba wakho? Ubongo's like, yeah, loyo. Felicia says, I still can't believe what you did. Drama nje oyikhozile. Bongo then says, Gabriel, ubambe ibhodi ngesandla ma. They do whatever he says. Felicia's like, maybe the board was right. The way you handle that situation, I will correct in J for CEO position. And then she just walks off like that. Ubongo's like, hi, bo ma. Like to say, like, now you who was on my side, you're no longer on my side. Hey guys, I guess she is put in a tough position because this is her husband after all. Next scene, we see there by the Sedibeng family, which is Maruna's family. So we see Maruna, Wendy, who's the mother, and Umpumi, who's the daughter, the other daughter. They are sitting ematrasini. They are picking out a coffin. So Wendy picks one coffin out of the booklet that is for like 50K. And she's like, I think this coffin is going to be fine. And then Upila in dignity. Yeah. Hi Umpum is not happy about that. She's like, Unokozana, Opila is not a person that likes things. He was a simple person. So why should we ngwaba him with a coffin? Yeah, 50K. Like he's a champ ngabantu. Maruna then says ukuthi yazini, like, I know siswami ukuthi you grew up Upila and I thank you for that, but please let me do this one last thing for him. Yo, Umpum is not hearing anything. She's like, oh, so now you want to be here and throwing your money around, but yet when we needed you the most, you were not here. Yo, Uwendi then says ukuthi, kanti Mpumi yini inkinga yakho? Why are you so worked up? Imali yakho? Is it your money that's been spent for this 50K? Please, like, what do you even mean ukuthi uphila didn't like things? Uphila ukutsheleni ukuthi what type of funeral did you want? Yo, Wendy just shuts up Umpumi there and there. But anyway, Umpumi goes on to say, hey, it's fine when I Maruna, do whatever you want to do. Got to salayo, it doesn't change anything. Umpumi, yini inkinga yakho? Why is she still fighting? Yo, but in Dabara Pila is said, I'm even still asking myself, did Upila know that Umaruna was his real mother, or did he grow up believing that Umpum is the real mother? If not, this child's whole life has been a lie. Even he didn't even get closure of who his real parents are. I get next scene we see Ubong, Gobong Ngosi. He comes and visits the Sidibeng family to pay their due respect. He comes with the Genesis choir. And shame the way he spoke so well. He encouraged the families like, you know what, guys? Just let him go. I know Mpumi, it's not easy. Everything is difficult right now because but I really want us to celebrate his life. I don't want us to mourn him in a sad way. I want this funeral to be something where we are mourning his life. He spoke very well, you guys. Then next thing we see the same Bongo. He is playing piano there, and then Gabriel walks up to him. Then Gabriel says, Yazi, if I spoke to my father, ngendlela okhulume nami izolo, bengizovuka esibhedlela. In fact, if bengizovuka nje. Ubongo looks at him and is like, hey, asibongeke ukuthi you are not my father. Gabriel's like, yes, I've been telling you. Uthi mina nawe, we have to get along for the sake of your mother. Ubongo inkosi is like, oh, iyona ndlela yokusebenzisa uma leyo. Gabriel's like, kahle bonkosi, you know lento yethu yongazwani iyamkhathaza uma wakho. The fact that iBoard refused to give you isikhuldla angihlangene mina lapho. I had nothing to do with it. Wena into mele uyenze, you need to wait, ubekezele, ube nesineke. That's why ke mina bengicabanga ukuthi ngikuthathe ngikufake phansi kwephiko lami, and then I must mentor you and prepare you for the CEO position. Maybe in about 3 or 4 years time you'll be ready to be CEO. Yeah? Ubongo's like, wow, really? 3 years? Mina mele ngilinde 3 years to be CEO. Remember, umuzi wakwaThabethe lona. Yithi who welcomed you here. Basically saying ukuthi sakushada in a way. So don't come and want to control things whereas you found things the way they are. Then we see another scene where Gabriel decides to go and see Uwendi, Maruna's mother. And when he gets there, guys, he leaves money to say, Wutinai Mali, I want you guys to bury Upila in dignity. But listen, when he's leaving that money, Gabriel, one thing about him, Namatrets, he tells Uwendi, would you be careful of the people you speak to and the people that you trust. Just make sure Wuti the boy gets buried in a dignified way. I trust Wutile Mali that I am living here is going to be enough for everything. Uwendi gets just like the only reason why you're saying that is because you just want the secret to be kept a secret. Yeah, few minutes later, Uwendi is having a meeting with her daughters, Umpumi and Umaruna, and she's telling them, listen, Niyazi-ke kusasa is uPhila's funeral. And I've come up with a decision which this child has been living his whole life in a lie. So I've come up with a decision that Lengane is on like will be buried by the father's house. Yeah, Umpumi, of course, she's happy about that. She's like, yeah, vele ma, that's the right thing to do. Yeah, Maruna's like, ma, we can't do that. That is not even Gabriel's house. Iwatabe lapayana. Gabriel, like, that's not Gabriel's, like, it's not his house. It's the Tabete family, and they don't deserve that. Your Uend is not hearing anything. She's like, I don't care. That child, his whole life he lived a lie, and his last place of burial, he must be buried in a lie. No, we are going to that Tabete family, and we are going to bury the child there. Yeah. Oh, Maruna's trying to beg her mother, telling her mother, Uti, they will terminate my contract, ma, please. Like, don't do this. The mother's like, no, they won't terminate your contract. They need you. I mean, when you are Maruna. So that is final. Nina, again, prepare yourselves. We are going straight to the Tabetes. Guys, what a messy way for Uwendi to want to reveal the truth. And Kanje, yo, guys, shuba. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.